Hi friends, I am Cheshtar from backpackersmom.com and today we have Meera Velankar with us. She is
Hello.
a cyclist enthusiast and she has been cycling since a decade now. She is a mother of two beautiful children and last year she has covered a tandem by Kanyakumari to Kashmir ride. So she is a role model for all of us. Let's hear straight from her how her journey has started, how she has set up her goals, and what are her achievements.
Hello everyone. And Chester, thanks so much for inviting me today. And thank you all, you moms, ladies, working girls to come here and to, listen to me. And I just started cycling 10 years back because it's something that, that time it interests me. And I relocated from US 2011 and I couldn't find suitable work. So I wanted to keep myself occupied, and that's how I started cycling. And now it's become lifestyle, hobby, routine, whatever you want to say. And this kind of event was a little bit too much, like it's 6,000 kilometers on a tandem bike. So I was preparing for it, and I had some experience for past 5 to 8 years in the domain. Chesta, I want to, would like to say.
Sure. So, how did like cycling is? How did you get into cycling? Why cycling? How did a cycle came
So
into your hand?
So when I had no work and when I was out of work for some time in 2011, then I picked up cycle and I thought it will be very good to explore countryside and nearby areas using bicycle because that's how it's a low impact game. I was recovering from my second delivery. I'm very short, so I was like 72 kgs that time. So cycling is the best sport where someone wants to, it is easier than running. It's a less impact sport and you can always do your groceries or you can cycle 5-10 kilometers. It's a good stress buster. So I think that time I was trying to I used it as a stress buster initially. And then I gotten into serious cycling or event based cycling. Initially, I was just looking at doing 15-20 kilometers as a, went out for what I was going through of not having job and yeah.
So, went out, came into a passion of, and you are doing like Kashmir to Kanyakumari to Kashmir, which is a big, great achievement. So Meera, just tell us, like when you do a tandem or you are working with a team, how do you find a right team member to get into such a big task, and what are the kind of challenges you think you can face? So please share something about that.
Yeah. So this tandem is always about two people riding it, and it's a huge teamwork. That means all the time you have to do things for two people. If you want to stop for coffee, or if you want to fill your water, or if you want to take break, or you want to ride fast, there are uphills, bridges. It is always two people involved in it. So we have like 5 to 6 such people who do such kind of events in India. So it's very important for you to, first of all, the temperament should match. Secondly, everyone should get this idea of getting this done. If your like for you, Chester, if your idea is to do 100 and my idea is to do 6,000, then definitely it won't match. If mine idea is to do something first in the country and your idea is to do something 10th time but in December or in Christmas, so everything need to align. Also, cycling is a kind of expensive sport, I can say. So budget, you cannot team up with a partner who is very low or very high. You come with a budget of 50K, then you can partner with someone who comes with a budget of 40 to 60K. You don't want partner with 2 lakhs, neither you can team up with person who comes with 10,000. Otherwise, you both will be miserable. And as there are very few females in this, normally I had to team up with male members many times. So like in this, my current trip only when I'm coming back from Golden Quadrilateral, my partner had to quit at 3,400 due to some family emergency. So it was a big thing for me to continue with another partner. That partner was much younger, and I had to readjust everything as per new partner. But I thought if I quit due to someone else's family problem or health problem, then it will not look good on Indian women, that someone in a mixed team will say that, okay, she's lady, so maybe she's only weak. And I was not at all weak. I was absolutely fine. Just now I am coming from like 6,263 kilometer ride in 41 days, 7 hours. So I was not at all weak. I had a plan. So I just said goodbye to that partner and I teamed up with another partner and finished my event. So it is all about using your soft skills, keeping yourself calm, focusing on your goals.
Wow, that is, we have a lot to learn from you, Mira. And uh, so basically, what I have understood is we women want to we have a lot of passions, but we don't know how to go forward, like what should be the start, how to start. And there are so many challenges and fears that comes into our life, that, we have a family to take care of. We can't leave our children, their studies might get affected, who will cook, or my husband doesn't eat food of my cook, and how everything will fall in place. So did you also felt such kind of a challenge? And if
Yeah.
you did, definitely you did. So how
Yes.
did you
Yes.
overcome them, and what would you suggest for women like us?
So I'm also absolutely one of you in all this regard. I also face all these kind of problems. So see, for instance, my current event was 41 days. That means I had my monthly cycle only twice coming in the event, because monthly cycle is usually 28 days and this event is 41 days. So I am also like one of you people only. My husband was also extremely irritated because they were unable to manage the cook that we have. When I'm there, I get some chopping or I put my twist into the cooking so everyone can eat it. But on their own, they were not able to manage it. But I was training my daughters, both my daughters, for past 1 year during lockdown to kind of use food processor, to use toaster, to give them like kabhi aap sandwich banaiye. I instructed my cook, if you cannot make full meal of their taste, at least aap chutney bana ke dijiye. Then they can put boiled aloo and they can put cheese. So every day, every 1 or 2 days, I used to call my cook, my maid, my daughters, that go down, get things that I usually get, पनीर लाओ, fruits लाओ. ये सब उतना तो time रहता था, उतने में कर लेती थी. And it is also about giving good training. So as I told you, I relocated from US. So luckily my kids are also very disciplined. They both are open state medalists. So they be also being from sports. These both the girls are very well disciplined and everyone cooperated because they knew that their mother is doing something very, very important. My husband also cooperated. And in fact, due to lockdown, past 3 months, maid cooks were not coming. So I want to stress here that my maid and my cook, they maintained high level of discipline in my house when I was not there. That madam nahi hai, so I have to do it properly until she comes. So they have this sense of responsibility. They were following my WhatsApp status. They were following me. They were asking me. In fact, during my cycling ride, I passed my cook's village in Balasore, Badrak. So I called him and I said, देखिए मैं साइकिल पे आपके गांव आ गई. So this kind of connect you make with people who work for you. You never treat them as your servants. So these are all my soft skills, my people skills that are helping me, endure all that. And my kids also, I had trained them. I had discussed with my cook properly. What are the 10 dishes that you are going to make for breakfast? How it's going to be? आप सिर्फ खाना बनाइए नहीं, लेकिन खाना परोसिए. जो खराब खाना है उसे फेंक दीजिए. All these smaller things have been taken care and I have been worked upon for past 1 year. Like kids, if you can't eat sandwich, then make milkshake. If there is no milkshake, then alternate day at least order idli for you. If there is no idli, then try to have some sweet. All these things. And yeah.
That's a great advice, and in fact, I also follow the same thing. That first you have to balance your family, right? You have to train each and every member of the family and the supporting staff, because you cannot do everything on your own. if you want to perfect something, you have to delegate the other things in your life.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is what even I believe, and even what I implement in my life. And I'm doing well with this execution plan. Mira, just tell us, how do we start? Like, many women come to me and tell me that, oh, I really want to do something in life. I have something in my mind, but I don't know how to start. So what is the start? How do you start is something we want.
So basically, you need to dedicate 30 minutes to an hour to yourself every day. You can start with small walks or small jog walks or small runs. Later on, you can look into complicated sports like cycling is a very equipment assisted sport. Minimum जो cycle आती है, that is around 10K to up to 7 lakhs. So if you have cycle of your size, if you can balance, if you know how to cycle, then well and good. Get proper correct air pressure and correct lubing for your cycling. Get into correct kind of ankle length clothing and hop on to cycle and start, and you will feel that this freedom. Otherwise, start with small walks. Small, I'm sure no one can immediately get up and run 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, run 500 meters, then again walk, again run 500 meters. So that way, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, ऐसे ये बढ़ता जाएगा. Then you get small weights, 1 to 5 kgs of weight. So many videos are available. You can get into small weight training. What I would advise is out of 7 or 8 days a week, 4 दिन आप कुछ अलग अलग करने की कोशिश कीजिए. Stair walk is one. Simple walking is one. Walking with weights is one. Light cycling is one. Brisk walking is one. यहाँ पे ये 5 चीजें हो गई. So start with something small. Get a good aim for yourself. Like this month I am going to walk 3 kilometers every day. So 30 into 3, that is around 90. So 50 kilometers of walking a month or 30 kilometers of walking a month. Keep small and realistic goals for yourself. अगर आप रोज अगर you are watching TV serial every day, cooking every day, attending family functions every day, then why can't you walk or run every day? So think about it yourself, and I don't think so it's very difficult.
Exactly. In fact, a lot of people, whenever I tell them that, you just have to pull out those 10 minutes of in your life and, just do some 2 Surya Namaskars, and they say, no, I don't have time. So I don't have time. What should we do about it,
वो
Mira?
अनिल कपूर का डायलॉग है ना, टाइम होता नहीं है, निकालना पड़ता है. So like that, टाइम होता नहीं है, निकालना पड़ता है. It is all about priorities. अगर आप आज टाइम नहीं निकालोगे तो you will spend lot of time battling with diseases like corona and all that. आज आप पैसा और टाइम नहीं निकालोगे तो आगे आपका जाएगा. So it's very important. In Western world, you see how conscious people are. In our country only, India, this happens that after marriage everyone gives up. So don't do like that. I'm urging this to everyone who is watching this, that please don't have this guilt. Please give 20 to 30 minutes to yourself for your own health, and it will in turn help your family also. अगर आपको कहीं बीमारी हो गई, आप कहीं हॉस्पिटल में चले गए, तो यही लोगों को तकलीफ होने वाली है. जब आप अंदर से अच्छे रहोगे तभी you will be able to help your family.
Exactly. And your efficiency will also increase. So in fact,
Your thoughts become positive, your efficiency will increase, your skin tone. कितना मेकअप लगाओगे, ये नेचुरली जो स्किन टोन आपका है वो, इफ योर ब्लड फ्लशेस फ्रॉम इनसाइड, इट गिव्स यू नेचुरल टोन. आप जल्दी सोओगे, आपको डाइजेशन अच्छे से होगा, आप अच्छा शुद्ध खाना खाओगे, योर होल थॉट प्रोसेस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव, यू विल बिकम अनदर पर्सन.
Exactly. And if you're fit, then you can find your passions into work also. You
You can conquer the world if you are fit.
So yeah, let's conquer the world, Mira. And Olympics is doing great. And
all females. मुझे नहीं समझ रहा है कि मर्द लोग क्या कर रहे हैं.
It's the time for women. I mean, women and fitness. So I just, with this video, I want every woman to find a goal, a tiniest goal for them, and send it in the comment section. What is your tiniest goal? And I will read it. And if you feel that you are not able to achieve it, then I am just going to, stand behind you with that motivation that, okay, let's do it together. You're
And
going
I'm in Bangalore. I'm in Whitefield. Pedalmummy.com is my website. My email address is given there, or you can share my phone number or email address. For any small query or anything or any guidance related to cycling, you are always welcome to connect with me, and I will try my level best to guide you in your initial journey.
great, great, Meera. So let's conquer the world on that note.
Yes.
And thank you so much for joining me.
Thank
And I hope everyone is so charged up and motivated with this video. And looking at all the medals behind you, I think when
They are
I
collective medals from my family, not my own medals, but everyone in the family.
wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot, Meera.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, Meera, again. And let's keep in touch. Right. Thank you, Meera. Bye bye.
Bye.